Hey, good morning. I'm Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes, and I got a question for you. Are you a morning person? I am. My wife's not, so we do Sunday breakfast for lunch. So anyway, I'm getting our Sunday breakfast ready. I've got some bacon going. One tip on the bacon is I start my Blackstone and I put the bacon on right away. That way, while it's heating up, it's cooking the bacon and everything gets going. And then one other tip I want to show you is whenever I do my bacon, I like to go back here and I like to put a let me get the lid down. I like to put a new grease catch in there, and then that way when you're cooking your bacon, you catch all fresh bacon grease only, and you can save that for other cooks and get you back on the tripod. Anyway, that way you've got some fresh bacon grease in the pan, and you can use it for other cooks, and it's clean and it just works out great. So usually whenever I make bacon, I'll save the bacon grease in a separate little grease catch. So anyway, so this morning or this afternoon, lunchtime, for breakfast anyway, I'm gonna make some hashed potatoes. I'm gonna make some hash brown potatoes, sausage, bacon, eggs. I'm gonna use the hash browns as my patty. So you'll get to see that. This is some golden potatoes that I already shredded up, and I use the paper towel method. I put the shredded potatoes in the paper towels and squeeze them, get all much moisture out of them as I can, and it works out really great. So anyway, I'm gonna keep going on my bacon. When that's done, we'll get building on everything else. But we will be right back. Okay, there's our bacon. Got the bacon all done. Now let's get everything else. So now I've got my bacon grease on there. I'm gonna get my hash browns going. Since we have bacon grease on there, I'm gonna put my hash browns in. I'm gonna put them in kind of thick, and I'm gonna press them down pretty firm, because they're going to be my bread in essence there. Instead of bread, we're going to use hash browns. Make sure those are pressed down nice. Whoops. Just like that. And we're going to let these cook for a little while. We'll be back, we'll flip them, get them all done. Okay, these have been going a couple of minutes. See if we can get these off. Like that. Just can't give them a flip without ruining them. Oh yeah. Those look good. Okay, we'll just let those cook. We'll be back. Quick. I didn't have this side of my wind block on, or the heat block, and I had my paper plate here with the bacon. I kept smelling burned paper, and shoot, it's still on fire. Just the heat from that caught my paper plates on fire. It's still kind of burning. So anyway, not only a wind deflector, a heat deflector. Okay, so I did add my dome on here. I want to get the, gotta make sure the potatoes are cooked, so I just put the dome on there to help them cook a little quicker. Look. Okay. Flip them. And they're getting a little toasty. So And make sure those potatoes cook all the way through. Oh, I do have my flames on low, or my settings on low. So, there we go. In case you're wondering what that other noise was, I got my sausage over here cooking up. Look. Okay. It's nice and toasty. Alright, so I'm going to move these over there so that I can get my... I got the fire off over here now. I want these to keep cooking a little bit. I want them to burn, but I want to make sure they're done all the way through. Looking pretty toasty there. That's alright. Okay. Get some of this off of here. Get our eggs going over here. A little bit of bacon grease left. Pour it in. Okay. Let's get our egg rings on there. In there. I got a shell. Alright, that one's going to have some calcium to it. I didn't spray my egg rings. There you go, another tip. Don't forget to spray your egg rings. So I've got a toothpick. Try to break them away. There we go. Let's give those a flip. Those a minute and they'll be done. Okay, so there's our breakfast lunch, our brunch. I got my hash browns, got my eggs. I'll just show you down here. Got my eggs, my hash browns, bacon and sausage. I'm just gonna put some cheese on mine. Yeah, I think I'll put a little yellow mustard on there. Maybe. Okay. Put an egg on there. Give me some bacon. I'm not gonna put a sausage on here. Put my lid on. Just like that. Ooh, those are hot. Get my sandwich. Okay, egg, cheese, bacon, sandwich on hash brown bun. Pretty hot, but we're gonna take a bite anyway. That is delicious. The hash browns are hot, they're done. The egg, the bacon, perfect. The cheese, All right, there you go. Hash brown breakfast sandwich. I want to make you some, and we'll see you on the next video.